Hey, what's up, guys? Another Tech Tuesday here. So, I know a lot of you guys have issues with this installing the accelerator pump on this S&S E and G models. So normally what I do is, of course, we put the spring, we'll get our new diaphragm, we put that on there. Then you can use any kind of poster board or whatever the case is. In this case, we can use the bowl gasket. So basically that's gonna help you hold the diaphragm inside the groove, and then you go ahead and kind of install it. Put a little bit of pressure here so your check valve doesn't come out, and just kind of pull it off slowly, and there you go. It's already straight and smooth. Next step would be for you to install the bolt so it doesn't come out, but that would be the easiest way, so you don't pinch the diaphragm. Everything goes in smooth. You don't pinch the O-rings or lose the little check valves. So I thought I'd just show you guys this. I know a lot of people have problems with it. So thanks for watching, guys. Have more cool videos coming soon.